Hello, everyone. I'm Jason Crabtree, Director of Search Engine Optimization. Today, we're going to talk about getting you some more Google reviews for your business. We all know we need it. We all know that it's a struggle. And we all know that consumers have the best intentions. They say they're going to leave a review, they plan on doing it. But once they're out the door, life happens. They may pick up the kids on the way home. They may have to get the dry cleaning. When they get home, there may be other stuff going on that distracts them. They don't always go log in and leave that Google review like they planned on. So what we've got today is a hack to sidestep all of that. We're going to be composing a message, copying that message so we can use it over and over and over again. And then all you have to do is send that message out via SMS, text message. Consumers react better to that. In fact, text messages on average get a response within 90 seconds, whereas emails on average get a response within 90 minutes. And it's even more if you're me. So let me show you how this works. And then on the other end, we'll talk about implementation. So the first step is on your smartphone, open up a Google browser. Make sure it's Google, not Bing. In this one, you can see that I'm signed in. Up at the top right, you can see my little profile picture. We want to click on that link right next to the profile picture. That will open up your Google services. And then from there, we're going to click on that blue business link. They may not be in the same order. You may have to scroll down a little bit to find it. But it's this blue link right here and it says business. Once you click on that, that's going to take you to your business profile. You can see that since I'm signed in, I can manage the business profile. So I click that link. That will take me to the section where I can edit things, make changes, etc. In the middle here, we want to find a get more reviews. So you might have to swipe over to the right a little bit to find it. Then click on that. That'll take you to this page. On this page, we can either send a review request right from here, or in our example now, we're going to copy that request link, and we're going to use that. That once we copy it, we're going to paste that into a note. So you go to your notes, type up a nice little profile note that says, "We appreciate your business. We'd love to hear your feedback. Please leave us a review." And then once now that we've got the link copied, we're just going to hold down here and hit paste, and then we'll paste that link right into the note. This is the note that we'll copy and paste into an SMS or text message. That link will take people right to this review page and they can leave the review. So there you have it. It's pretty simple to put together this message in your notes. You can copy and paste this into every SMS or text message that you need to send to your customers. The cool thing about this is SMS and text messages have about a 98% open rate, whereas emails only have about a 20% open rate. So you're at least going to get more eyeballs on your request. There's going to be a link right there for people to engage with where they just click it and it takes them right to your Google listing reviews section. And this should improve your number of reviews and make your job easier in asking for them. Thanks. Talk to you on the next video.